how to transfer money, Spark-based online banking step-by-step tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money Spark-based online banking. So for that, first of all, you need to have the app installed on your smartphone. And first start the Sparkasse app by tapping the app icon and then entering your password. And on the home page, tap to jail send an icon. You then have three options for entering transfer details. As you can see from here, you just have to select on this option and you have three options. So then you have to select a recipient under Vorlagen to enter the data into the transfer form. And if you have previously transferred money to or received money from the recipient details will automatically apply. Then tap send in. Now switch to the S push 10 app, and then you can see you can also enter the transaction follows, like using the photo options. Tap the photo icon, and then you can also use a QR code to transfer money from the app. And you can also transfer details are now in display. Tap send in and check the transfer details against the original document, and then tap on off track freight given, and done, your transfer has been sent. So that's how you can do an online transaction. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.